Hello to all traders. Now I will show you how to accelerate your deposit to the sky. With U-Channel MaxBot, I use a revolutionary neural network for trading with a passability of 89 to 95%. Now out of 27 currency pairs, which are presented in the bot menu, I will work with a variant of the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Here the payout percentage is close to the maximum. Time frame 1 minute. The investment amount is $1,100. The signal from the neural network, on lower. I click on the red button on the broker's website. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from the bot with an average passability of 90% free of charge. After which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a 90% discount, 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. The bot is able to use 30 indicators, analyzes with the help of technical analysis, price action and candlestick analysis. As I have already told you, those who have purchased the full version, it gives signals without limit. After purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analysis is performed. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares current signals. And the deal is about to come to an end. Now there is a local downtrend, which suits us fine, because the deal ends much lower than the entry point. This means that the forecast was accurate. $1,001 came to the real account. Now I will increase the market entry amount to $1,300. Always carefully press the keys corresponding to the set parameters on the broker. Double check yourself to avoid misclicks. So, the new recommendation from Neural Network is higher. We are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose one winner using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, $1,183 is the amount of profit. Now I will increase the amount of entry into the deal to $1,400. I step by step go to the goal, to a big profit thanks to accurate recommendations from artificial intelligence. The bot scans the market in 3 seconds and gives a signal, to lower. And while the trade is going on, I want to tell you about how to develop your trading strategy. Developing a trading strategy for trading currency pairs on options platforms involves a systematic approach that combines market analysis, risk management, and continuous evaluation. Options trading, with its unique payoff structure, requires a different strategic approach compared to other financial instruments. Understanding options. First, understand the fundamentals of options trading. Unlike traditional trading, options have a fixed risk and reward. You decide whether the price of the currency pair will be above or below a certain level at the expiry of the option. If you predict correctly, you earn a fixed payout. If not, you lose your initial stake. This all-or-nothing nature dictates a highly disciplined approach. There's a profit. $1,274 came into my account. Now I'm going to enter the transaction for $1,500. I promptly turn to the artificial intelligence to get a correct recommendation. Signal higher. Research and market analysis. Market conditions. Start with identifying the market conditions that suit options trading. Currency pairs can exhibit different behaviors depending on factors like time of day, economic conditions, and geopolitical events. Technical analysis. Use tools like charts, trend lines, support and resistance levels, moving averages, and indicators such as RSI, Relative Strength Index, or MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. These tools can help predict future market movements based on historical data. Fundamental analysis. Economic news can significantly impact currency pair prices. Understanding economic indicators such as GDP growth, employment rates, interest rates, and inflation among others can provide insights into currency strength or weakness. Meanwhile, $1,365 has been deposited into the account. Great! Now I will work with the currency pair British pound, Japanese yen and come in again for $1,500. The forecast from the neural network in this case is for lower. Strategy development. Decide how you will determine your entry and exit points. These should be based on clear criteria established through your analysis. Strategies based on market trends. For example, if you're following a trend strategy, you might decide to enter a trade when a currency pair breaks out of a previous resistance level on increased volume. Strategies based on market sentiment. Alternatively, if focusing on sentiment, you may enter trades based on how traders are positioned in the market, which can be gleaned from sentiment indicators or other market data. Selecting the correct expiry time is crucial in options trading. This should align with the timing for expected market moves. For instance, if a trade is based on a news release, short expiry times may be appropriate. So, the fifth trade closed in the plus. $1,290. The deposit turbo boost is successful. But I want to build on the success and get positive reinforcement. I will enter the market for an even bigger sum. $5,500. I get an actual forecast from the robot. So, higher. Risk management. Decide how much capital you will risk on each trade. A common rule of thumb is not to risk more than 1 to 5% of your trading capital on a single trade. Sequential trading. To avoid emotional trading and maintain discipline, consider a rule-based approach to the number of trades you will execute per day or per week, based on your strategy's expected outcomes. Testing your strategy. Backtesting. Before going live, backtest your strategy using historical data to see how it would have performed in the past. This can help you understand the potential profitability and adjust parameters accordingly. Use a demo account to trade in real time without risking real money. This is an effective way to test your strategy's effectiveness in current market conditions. So, and the deal closed in the plus. $4,730. This is a great result. But now I will make the final trade with an even larger investment amount. I will enter the market with double the amount. $11,000. It's time for the final signal from MaxBot. His prediction is lower. Regularly review the performance of your strategy. Look for patterns in which trades were successful and where they failed. Use this data to refine your strategy. Keep updated with the latest market trends and economic events. The financial markets are dynamic, and your strategy should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. And working together with MaxBot, you can be sure that you will earn big money. Bot absorbed everything that developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first trading session. And now on the screen you can see the feedback from satisfied users who have implemented the robot in their trading strategy. Join the great team of leaders. Link in the description. It's time to take stock. The deal closed in the plus. $9,460. The total profit for today is impressive, $20,303. Thanks to the robot for competent analysis and signals. Subscribe to our channel and put a bell. Bye.